Hello everyone, this is Monjar Ali speaking. Today I am talking about of myself. I am a student of Textile Engineering Department at Daffodil International University. I start my education journey from Fulbari Dakhil Madrasa, where I completed my Dakhil examination in 2029, and later I passed HSC in 2022 from Sharia Kandi Degree College. Beside academic study, I am also Hafiz of the Holy Quran. During my Dakhil life, I achieved first place for 2 years in Hamd Naat Kerat competition at the district level during in Bangladesh National Education Week. I love music and performing arts. I complete a 2 years diploma in music division from Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy, Bogura. During my college life, I also won first prize in patriotic song, Rabindra Sangeet, Nazrul Sangeet, and completed at the district level. I am actively involved in various co-curricular activities. I participate in the DIU Textile Carnival 2023 and 2024 and achieved second prize for 2 years. Currently, I am a proud member of three active clubs: DIU Textile Club, DIU Pradhamala Bandhu Sabha, and DIU Youth Engagement Club. Through their club, I would for preserving Bangladeshi culture, supporting the disadvantaged people, and stop against corruption. I have a strong passion for fashion designing, fabric designing, research, music, dance, and traveling. My ultimate dream is to become a skilled and creative merchandiser. From my university life, I have been continuously learning and developing merchandising related skill to make this dream a reality. I believe hard work, creativity, and dedication can make dream come true, and I am on the journey step by step. Thank you for watching my profile.